Hey everyone, it's Cooley with MBA Roofing, your local roofing experts. Are you concerned about the condition of your roof? This homeowner is. We're out here to do a complimentary inspection and give an estimate for a roof replacement on this home. They called us out because they're having some shingle curling and a couple leaks in the house. So we're gonna hop up top and see what we can find, see if we can't figure out what's going on up there. So we're up here on the roof, and one of the first things that I'm gonna look at are the pipe boots, because they're kind of the first place on your roof that's gonna dry rot or crack. You can see on this pipe boot right here, if I touch it, it's just kind of crumbling at my fingers. The pipe boot just kind of keeps rain from falling down into this pipe where you have to have a hole through your roof. But basically, this pipe boot is ineffective. It's just allowing water to bypass right in there and water to go into the attic, and then it'll spread out through the house from there, just kind of soaking the wood and the decking, eventually just causing it to rot. Another thing that I'm seeing on this roof is wind damage. As you can see, we're on a 3-tab roof, which means all the shingles lay next to each other in a flat line. So a lot of times what you'll see with wind is it'll separate a shingle and just cause it to start flapping in the wind here, and then you get this crease along this part here. So we'll go ahead and mark this as wind damage. It's something that insurance will be interested to see. The reason this homeowner originally called us out is because she said that her shingles on her eaves were starting to curl up. Now what we've got going on here is the gutter has started to separate from the fascia wood. So as you can see, it's coming away from the wood here, and as the gutter tips forward, it's picking up these shingles this way and causing them to curl up. So you want to make sure your gutters are really well attached to your fascia board, or else it'll start to make your roof not as effective. One of the best places to look for hail damage on a roof is soft metals. What we have here is a copper cupola. And I've just marked it with soapstone, and as you can see, it's highlighted all these spots where hail has hit the metal in the past. So this is something that we'll want to show the insurance company as well, because it's further proof of hail damage on the roof. Another thing that we see on an older roof are what we call nail pops. Now a lot of times, so your roof is nailed into the decking underneath. If the decking underneath starts to get wet, the nail will start working its way up out of the wood and push your shingles up. So you get kind of this tinting effect where it's poked the shingle up, and underneath you've got a nail that's poking up underneath. So what we'll do is we'll pull this nail out and we'll caulk over this hole, because you want to avoid nail pops like this, because it just makes your roof a little more vulnerable. Click the link below so you can schedule your complimentary roof inspection and see what a difference it can make with your home or business when you deal with a quality roofing service.